사랑하는 가족의 초상화 한 점이 있습니다. 지금은 오스트리아 미술관에 걸려 있는데요. 모든 것을 두고 도망쳐 나올 수밖에 없었지만 결코 잊어본 적이 없습니다. 소유권을 주장하는 오스트리아 정부와의 싸움에서 그림을 되찾을 수 있을지 궁금해지는데요. 본격적으로 들어가 보실까요?
Rück ein bisschen nach links. Nele, du bist unruhig.
Mach mir zu viel Sorgen.
My sister Louise, but the truth is we were always.
사랑하는 언니의 장례식이 잘 마무리되었습니다.
Barbara, thank you so much for your son, the lawyer.
After law school, he went to work and then decided to go out on his own.
오랜만에 만난 지인의 아들에게 법률 자문을 해보고 싶은데요.
I'll have him call you. Feel ready.
아무래도 사업은 힘든 것 같고 취업 시장에 뛰어들었습니다. 떨리는 마음으로 입사 포부를 외쳐보는데요.
You any relation to the family?
Arnold was my grandfather.
But the rewards validate.
One of the things I'd most look forward to.
Judge Schoenberg is your father.
Retired now. Yes, sir.
What happened in Pasadena?
Working for yourself isn't all typed up.
Now you're ready to work with others.
Yes, sir.
Well, let's give it a go, Mr. Schoenberg.
어머니 부탁으로 등 떠밀려 찾아오긴 했습니다.
To you at 6, it's 10.
Mrs. Allman, it was gridlock on.
Don't you come on inside. Sister is the pretty little girl on the left, and I am the moody one. My parents, Teresa and Gus, Uncle Ferdinand, who owned the shop, Aunt Adele. So we all lived together. As in a way, I had two sets of parents. Found these letters next to my sister's belongings. All about our.
궁금했던 건 우리 가족의 그림에 대한 것인데요.
My uncle commissioned.
그건 바로 클림트가 그린 숙모의 초상화입니다.
She's been hanging in the Belvedere Gallery.
You're a rich woman, I'm sure.
I think that's what this is about. I can to keep these memories alive. I'm sorry.
I got a new job today. Baby that keeps me up at night. A wife.
Why don't you just take and tell me if I have it? It's all I ask for.
Limped portrait of your aunt and the four were bequeathed to the gallery in her fact which they claim as I have not seen.
어머니의 지인분이라 성의는 보여야겠다는 생각뿐인데요.
Mrs. Allman, hi.
Everybody here looks as if they have.
Till 3 a.m. I did a little research for you. Get someone on the ground in Vienna. Start by trying to find a copy of Adele's claim by the end of next month. The late
You can explain everything to me over.
top restitution.
변호사를 소개시켜드리고 손을 탈려고 했는데 직접 맡아달라고 하십니다.
Can't you just help me out a little?
There is no
And you are completely disinterested in the.
unusual talent for making me feel good.
Your grandparents came here from Ostia. We share the same history.
As a possible investment for the
Up as a fridge magnet.
회사에 보고 드리고 본격적으로 진행해 보려고 하는데요.
Back here on the.
Absolutely, sir. Thank you. Still working.
Close the shop only when
I'm gonna go over there. I'm gonna try to find the will, and then we'll.
pumping at the bite. All of it.
Institution conference plan for later. This looking for speakers. Elegant descendant from one of the great.
Now, not ever.
I don't understand.
Forced me to abandon the people and
당연히 같이 따라 나서실 줄 알았는데 생각보다 완강하십니다.
all the paintings in the world.
혼자서라도 다녀와야겠다 싶은데요.
Straight into the Congo. His blessing. What do you think?
깊은 밤 옛 추억에 잠기게 됩니다.
Komm her. Machst mir die Kette zu. Bald wirst du aufhören müssen, so schüchtern zu sein. Ein einziger Feind.
두렵지만 용기 내서 한 걸음 나아가 보려고 하는데요.
But if I wait until the morning, I might. I have decided to face the ghost.
She's complicated.
Your mom called again. Wants you to visit the Holocaust of your great grandparents.
It's an awfully big suitcase you packed.
I might as well do it in style.
잊을래야 잊을 수 없는 나의 고향으로 돌아왔습니다.
Some guy from the ministry's agreed. You don't have to come if you don't.
And you're already trying to get rid of.
That's not what I said. I just meant.
Go to the Belvedere to visit my aunt.
Mrs. Altman? Did your name on the list of speakers for the...
And you are?
이번 사건에 관심을 보이는 기자가 있는데요.
My little Austrian baby. This whole restitution thing began as a...
I don't want to give away their treasures.
And I might just be able to help you. And it for you. What's your motive? Let's just say it's a very particular brand of...
And on the second floor, that's our home. Artists, musicians, writing, of course, your grandfather.
기억 한 켠에 묻어둔 행복했던 기억이 떠오릅니다.
Hoffen wir, dass dieser unvergessliche guten Stern
für glücklich.
Deine Tante Adele nicht hier ist, muss sie nicht erleben, was mit ihr
항상 나를 아껴주셨던 숙모의 유품도 받게 되는데요.
eigensinnig und neugierig. Etwas von Adeles Charakter in dir.
Ich werde sie immer zu schätzen wissen.
Komm, Maria, es ist Zeit für die Torte. Ich muss mir anschneiden helfen.
Der Kanzler hat alles bewilligt. Hitler hat einige Lehrer.
국내 상황이 불안하기 때문에 얼른 해외로 떠나자고 합니다.
Du bist wie immer ein Träumer.
Young Mr. Schernberg and I have traveled.
Things belonged to Mrs. Altman's family.
Now, if you don't mind, you'll stay in our beauty.
쉽지는 않을 거라 예상했지만 큰 벽이 느껴지는데요.
No, if I had the strength to deal with.
Come on, let's go.
Mrs. Altman, your aunt is around this corner. I'm embedded in Austria's identity. Adele has become part of the
숙모를 다시 재회한 것처럼 감정이 끓어오릅니다.
Mir lieber mein Gesicht. Ist es mir ähnlich?
Aber du siehst nicht glücklich.
Ich frage mich, wie es sein wird, wenn du erwachsen geworden bist.
Österreichs Goldene ermalt von Klimt. Ein herausragender in österreichischen Kultur.
결혼하고 얼마 지나지 않아 불행의 서막이 시작되었는데요.
Wir hätten früher fliehen sollen.
해외로 나가는 건 불가능해졌습니다.
Hotel. Das ist die Frau Klein, die Frau vom Doktor. Was tun Sie da? Was haben Sie mit ihnen vor?
Bringen Sie den Gehsteig mit Säure. Hol mir mein Cello, Maria.
Wofür, Vater?
Warum sollte dieser Samstag anders sein?
Der Bruder meines Mannes ist in England. Wir haben in beiden Ländern die Möglichkeit. Und wir müssen in Österreich so schnell wie möglich.
Trifft auf alle Juden zu. Was unterscheidet sie vom Rest? Abgelehnt. Denn
곧이어 무력을 동원해 쳐들어왔는데요.
hat sich mit seiner Zuckerfabrik der Steuer hin. Die Konten wurden gesperrt und bis der volle Betrag die stehen ab sofort unter Hausarrest.
마음대로 휘젓고 다니며 압수할 재산을 조사합니다.
Eine Diamanthalskette, ein Cello, Stradivari, natürlich nur das Beste.
Museum records prior to 19...
Drop your sleeves, Randy.
숙모의 유언장 원본을 직접 찾아보려고 하는데요. 고생한 보람이 있었습니다.
Died in 1925.
The will, written in 1923.
I kindly ask my husband to the Belvedere Gallery in Vienna.
Oh, Randy, have become all this way.
Does in fact request for the paintings to go to the...
Specifically, paintings go to the Belvedere.
압류당했던 재산은 상류사회 사람들 손에 들어갔고 남편이 죽기 전 박물관에 기증되었는데요.
For a short while after the war, she became a woman in gold.
Her identity was stolen.
You had to be eradicated from history.
Contrary to the request, and Adele's lit up in the Belvedere well before his death.
Randy, why don't you show Maria our trunk?
That is a declaration that Ferdinand paid for.
그리고 정확한 소유자도 숙모가 아니었던 겁니다.
Invalid?
It's not legally binding, it's more like a wish.
Juan is very busy right now.
It is essential that Randy, is that him?
Sorry, I haven't had a moment to reply to you.
There's quite a bit of new information that the rest.
충분한 자료가 있다고 하더라도 받아들여지지 않는데요.
Welcome to the restitution. Hiermit einen ersten Schritt rechtmäßig in Besitz genommen.
will never forget the day took our paintings.
And other people and stripped the place.
무방비하게 빼앗길 수밖에 없었던 과거를 회상하며 눈물을 적십니다.
Like so many of my generation, forgive them for preventing me from living. At the very least, reunited with what is rightfully.
Mrs. Altman,
결과가 나오기도 전에 접근하는 사람이 생겼는데요.
but we implore you not.
Once the past, I would be open to.
May I speak with you for a moment?
Please feel free to call me so we can resume.
I think we need to be careful about what we say.
Oh, you mean you think I should
Most people take advice from the law.
go back to the hotel alone?
아직도 바뀌지 않은 모습에 그날의 기억이 생생히 떠오릅니다. 남편은 도망칠 수 있는 방법을 마련했는데요. 부모님은 이곳에 두고 가야만 합니다.
Wissen genauso gut wie ich, das Verbrechen begangen hat Juden, können uns zumindest zur Apotheke gehen.
warum müssen Sie beide gehen?
Wenn Sie so besorgt sind, dass wir weglaufen, warum kommen Sie nicht?
승부수를 띄워보았지만 끈질기게 따라붙는데요. 잠깐 감시가 헛술한 틈에 달아나 보려고 합니다.
Schwach, ich brauche etwas.
Soldat, der auf der Straße ran.
Nein, bitte öffnen Sie die...
Is that you?
심장이 떨리고 다리가 후들거렸지만 마침내 공항에 도착했는데요.
Sie fliegen nach Köln? Köln, ja. Haben Sie kein Gepäck?
Alles der. Und mein Mann springt für wo? Der Bariton ist krank. Wir bleiben nur für eine.
Viel Glück.
탑승까지 거쳐야 할 관문은 많이 남아 있습니다.
Meine Damen und Herren, bitte halten Sie Ihren Flug.
Passagiere, die heute nicht. Herr Stefan Karlneuner, melden Sie sich!
살고 싶은 마음에 여기까지 정신없이 달려왔지만 만감이 교차하는데요. 박물관 측에서는 초상화를 내어주지 않으려고 합니다.
Committee has decided that the 5 Klimt paint will remain there.
The paintings aren't hers. Where? The paintings were Ferdinand's property, not his wife. That's ignoring the fact that there was a deliberate things ended up in the gallery.
Looting of her home, the murder of... If you don't agree with it, your only option is... Come on, Randy, let's go.
Government demands a deposit against the...
소송은 거의 불가능한 일일 것 같은데요.
He will decide to give you back the painting's rent.
No more daydreaming. Thank you, Hubertus, for all your... Come on, Randy.
Checking on you.
Come in. Sit.
How you doing?
I'm exhausted. They'll never admit to what they did.
마지막 일정을 정하고 돌아갈 준비를 합니다.
To the Holocaust Memorial. That way we will not have come here in...
Where my great-grandparents were murdered. And they were taken away in the middle of it.
We must go to the airport.
We use the men's room.
역사와 마주한 순간 주체할 수 없는 눈물이 흐르는데요.
Fritz was still alive. He would welcome us. Welcome home.
Randy and Maria.
Past is the past.
결과에 미련이 없다고 하시는데 돈 때문에 도와드린 제 자신이 부끄럽기만 합니다.
It's okay.
이제는 스스로 발벗고 나서게 되었는데요.
Seeing you again after all this time.
Catalog on sale in Barnes.
And hello to you too. What?
You can sue them here in the U.S.
오스트리아가 아니라 미국에서 소송이 가능할 것 같다고 말씀드립니다.
Regulations, you need them. You can.
Times it. You just have to move on.
For starters, there's no precedent. The answer is no.
회사에도 보고를 해보지만 거절당하는데요.
File a lawsuit against the Austrian government.
Cost you 160.
이대로 물러설 순 없고 일을 진행해 보려고 합니다.
With the Austrian consul.
We're taking the Austrian government to court.
Randy?
Taking them to court.
No, you can't. Told you before. I have no in. Returned to my quiet life.
Say that again with conviction.
It is support and you have a full-time. Don't have the time for this.
사표까지 내고 무모하게 구는 남편에게 화가 나는데요.
Supposed to make these decisions.
I'm sorry. You're right. Dr. Dryman, nice of you to come from Austria.
Always wanted to visit this.
첫 재판이 있는 날입니다.
Even younger than you did in Vienna.
If I have another 50 years.
All rise. The Foreign Sovereign Immunities Act, 38 years after the events in... It seems to me obvious that the FSIA...
And his theory that it cannot be applied retroactively very much exists. These are just 3 examples.
Proved to be a riveting read. Let's.
Would be a violation of its national sovereignty. Is a forum for Mrs. Altman to pursue her case.
Taking the defendant to court in Austria would be a multimillionaires. Hadn't, we wouldn't be standing before you.
You can apply to pre-19.
준비해갔던 자료들과 주장이 받아들여지면서 승소를 하게 되는데요.
I would urge you to consider meeting.
Been accepted.
상대 측은 여기서 물러나지 않겠다고 합니다.
The son of Este.
I have so much respect for your, which is why I want it for my gallery.
You're jumping the gun a little.
A favorable outcome as likely as possible. But a young Mr. Schoenberg, I'm afraid he's not cut out for the Supreme.
작품에 관심이 있는 곳에서 변호사를 바꾸라고 제안하지만 거절하는데요.
You can ask him to take a hike.
대법원 판결이 있는 날입니다.
It all the way to the Supreme.
Arguments next in zero of Austria versus Altman.
This domestic matter for us, no place in the American courts.
Could open claims brought against would further complicate our
Continuously tried to frustrate our attempts, threatening an Armageddon in international relations. This is a case of one woman taking back what is rightfully hers. Mrs. Altman came to America as a young woman. Let's give her justice too.
국가 간 문제로 부각되면서 언론에 집중 조명 받는데요.
Stop looking at your watch every 2 minutes.
드디어 결과가 나왔습니다.
Supreme Court ruled in the Austrians to court. Thank you.
First moment I knew you were the right man.
어느 정도 승기를 잡은 상황에서 협상을 진행해 보려고 하는데요.
Is to admit.
We will not be paying for something.
하지만 생각처럼 쉽지만은 않습니다.
Now you're talking sense.
Speak with you in private, please. To mediation. And now this is going to.
내부적인 분열도 일어나는데요.
Back to Austria.
You just need to be quiet for once.
Enough is enough. I'm not playing this game anymore. Goodbye, gentlemen.
Okay, real nice.
I don't want to.
The feeling is mutual.
Saying we should go back to what's left of our.
Are you insane?
Tired, and they can keep the paper.
I've given everything that I have. I am fucking care about in this world. I wish you'd never asked me. Hang in there.
To Vienna if you have it. This time, I'm not.
다시 오스트리아로 왔습니다.
chose for the arbitration. The one chosen by the Austrian betting on Austria having changed.
길을 지나가다가 할아버지의 작품을 만나게 되는데요. 결전의 날입니다.
Believed it was a domestic issue within her borders. Well, it's because my client, Mrs. Altman, and I are, don't get me wrong, we're very much American. Our families and the roots we're situated in the culture. And somewhere in the heart of this Dell block. During my visits to this country, I've discerned that there's one which opposes restitution, also another which recognizes the injury against all odds seeks to wreck. Paintings in question reached the Belvedere that was both dishonest and illegal. People dehumanized, sent many of them to their deaths, and they stole from them. So now I'm asking you as recognize that, but for Austria.
도움을 주었던 기자의 사연도 알게 되는데요.
I discovered that he had been a Nazi. All my life I've been trying to make up for the sin every day, trying to move away from him.
You're a fine man, Hubertus.
Trying to keep an open mind, we have reached our final and the other Klimt paintings be returned to her niece.
정부가 그림을 반환하는 것으로 최종 결론이 나왔습니다.
Let these paintings leave their motherland. Come to an arrangement. I'm sure we can make it generous.
마지막까지 상대 측의 거래 제안은 있었지만 거절하는데요.
Now, I am tired.
I'd be needing a little attention. I mentioned we couldn't have done it without you. No?
승리의 기쁨도 잠시 슬픔이 밀려옵니다.
All right?
Bottom of my heart, for all you have. My mistake was in thinking that they make it better, because I left them here.
부모님을 두고 떠나갈 수밖에 없었던 그날을, 그 순간을 잊을 수가 없는데요.
Tust das Richtige.
Aber ich will nicht. Du musst in die Zukunft schauen und hier gibt es keine.
America wird jetzt deine Hand in the language of your family. You only one thing. Remember us.
I've been thinking about that smart Mr. Lau.
많은 사람이 볼 수 있게 갤러리로 보내려고 합니다.
No, your grandfather would be proud. You are keeping the memory alive.
Well, I didn't do it alone.
You excuse me, just for one moment.
Kann ich Ihnen helfen?
Das Haus, kann ich mich ein wenig umsehen?
Bitte schön.
행복했던 어린 시절을 회상하며 이야기는 그렇게 마무리되는데요. 안녕하세요. 잼잼 꿀잼 명동선배입니다. 클림트는 오스트리아의 대표 작가이며 작품의 경매가는 수십억에서 수천억을 호가한다고 합니다. 금액적인 가치를 떠나 오스트리아 정부 입장에서는 대표적인 작가의 작품을 내어주지 않으려고 하는데요. 작품의 주인공인 숙모와 후견인이었던 삼촌의 소유권을 주장하며 강제로 빼앗긴 그림을 받으려고 합니다. 무려 8년이라는 기다림 끝에 가족의 품으로 돌아오게 되는데요. 그녀에게는 단순한 그림이 아니라 부모님을 두고 떠나오기 전 따뜻하고 행복했던 어린 시절의 아름다운 추억을 간직하고 싶었던 게 아닐까 생각해봅니다. 그림 속에 숨겨진 진실을 이야기하고 싶은 영화 우먼 인 골드였습니다. 영상이 괜찮으셨다면 구독과 좋아요로 응원 부탁드릴게요. 다음 영화도 기대 많이 해주세요. 감사합니다.